The best wireless audio adapters in 2026 that bring modern connectivity to any audio setup. From cars and home systems to speakers and headphones, these adapters deliver strong performance, clear sound, and easy pairing. Watch until the end to find the perfect match for your needs and budget. Links in the description. Number 5. The Ugreen Bluetooth 6.0 receiver with LDAC is a smart upgrade for anyone who wants to bring high-quality wireless audio to older stereo systems or wired speakers. With LDAC decoding and support for audio up to 24-bit and 96 kHz, this receiver delivers impressive clarity, depth, and detail when paired with compatible devices. Music sounds clean and dynamic, offering a noticeable improvement over standard Bluetooth codecs. Powered by the latest Bluetooth 6.0 technology, the receiver provides a stable connection with low latency and reduced signal interruptions. Streaming remains smooth and reliable, even during long listening sessions. The dual pairing feature allows two phones to connect at the same time, making it convenient for sharing music or switching between users without repeated setup. Battery performance is another strong point, offering up to 15 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. USB Type-C. Charging allows the device to recharge fully in about 2 hours and also supports use while charging. This makes it suitable for both home and extended use. The receiver includes both 3.5mm and RCA outputs, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of home audio systems, wired speakers, and headphones. Its compact ABS design feels solid and blends easily into any setup. With clear audio prompts and simple operation, the Ugreen Bluetooth 6.0 receiver stands out as a reliable and high-performing solution for modern wireless music streaming. Number 4. The Egadget Bluetooth audio adapter for music streaming is a dependable option for bringing wireless audio capability to traditional home sound systems. It allows users to stream music from smartphones, tablets, computers, and laptops to powered speakers or home stereo systems using either a 3.5mm or RCA connection. This makes it an effective upgrade for older audio equipment without the need for complex installation or new hardware. One of the strongest features of this adapter is its ease of use. The large central Bluetooth button simplifies operation, enabling quick pairing with a single press. Playback control is also convenient, with a single press for play or pause, and a longer press to power the device on or off. Once paired, the adapter automatically reconnects to the last used device, creating a seamless listening experience for everyday use. Wireless performance is reliable within a typical home environment. With an indoor range of up to 40 feet without obstacles, users can move freely while maintaining a stable connection and consistent audio quality. The adapter works with most Bluetooth-enabled devices and integrates smoothly with a wide range of powered speakers, stereo systems, and audio receivers. This adapter is powered through a USB cable or AC to DC adapter, and does not include a built-in battery, which makes it best suited for stationary home setups. As a Bluetooth receiver only, it focuses on delivering straightforward and reliable wireless music streaming. Overall, the Egadget Bluetooth audio adapter offers excellent value, simple operation, and consistent performance for home audio enthusiasts. Number 3. The upgraded 1mm B06 Plus Bluetooth receiver is a high-quality wireless audio solution designed to modernize home stereo systems and powered speakers. Featuring Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it delivers strong connection stability, fast pairing, and improved efficiency for smooth music streaming. Support for aptX, HD, and aptX. Adaptive ensures detailed sound with enhanced clarity and dynamic range when used with compatible devices. A major highlight of the B06 Plus is its extended wireless range. With Class 1 Bluetooth performance, it can transmit audio up to 164 feet in open environments and up to 70 feet indoors without obstacles. This makes it well-suited for large rooms or multi-room listening. The built-in 3D surround sound mode adds a wider and more immersive audio presentation, and it can be activated or turned off easily using the dedicated control button. The receiver is designed for convenience and everyday use. It powers on automatically when connected to a power source and reconnects to the previously paired device without user intervention. Setup is simple with plug-and-play operation using either a 3.5mm jack or RCA connection. The included USB power adapter ensures consistent performance for stationary installations. Voice control support adds extra flexibility, allowing users to manage playback through Amazon Alexa when properly paired. With its compact design, reliable long-range performance, and high-fidelity audio features, the 1AMEI B06 Plus Bluetooth receiver is an excellent upgrade for anyone seeking premium wireless music streaming at home. Number 2. The 2025 Pro Bluetooth 5.4 transmitter receiver is a compact and powerful wireless audio adapter built for modern travel and everyday convenience. Its 2-in-1 design allows it to function as both a transmitter and a receiver, making it ideal for use with televisions, personal computers, airplane entertainment systems, car stereos, and wired speakers. This versatility makes it a practical solution for users who want reliable wireless audio across multiple devices. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth 5.4 technology, the adapter delivers fast pairing, strong connection stability, and low latency audio performance. Sound remains clear and well synchronized during video playback, gaming, and music listening. Dual connectivity further enhances usability by allowing 2 wireless headphones or speakers to connect at the same time in transmitter mode, or 2 smartphones to connect simultaneously in receiver mode. The build quality reflects a premium approach. An aviation-grade metal frame adds durability, while helping minimize interference for consistent performance. The built-in microphone supports clear hands-free calling in receiver mode, making the device useful for driving, workouts, and general communication. A compact form factor ensures it is easy to carry in a pocket or travel bag. Battery life is a standout feature, offering up to 30 hours of use in transmitter mode and 20 hours in receiver mode. The 5-level LED battery display provides accurate power status at a glance. With fast USB Type-C charging and dependable performance, this Bluetooth 5.4 transmitter receiver is an excellent choice for wireless audio on the go. Number 1. The upgraded 1MIE B06 Pro long-range Bluetooth receiver is a high-performance wireless audio adapter designed to enhance home stereo systems with modern Bluetooth connectivity. Featuring dual antennas and Class 1 Bluetooth technology, it offers a long range of up to 197 feet in open air and 50 to 70 feet indoors without obstacles, ensuring stable and reliable audio streaming across larger rooms or multiple areas of the home. This receiver utilizes Bluetooth 5.1 for superior audio quality and supports aptX low latency and aptX HD, providing clear, detailed sound with minimal delay. The built-in 3D surround audio feature adds depth and immersion to music or movies, which can be activated or turned off with a simple press of the dedicated 3D button, indicated by a green LED. This makes it perfect for listeners who want high fidelity and immersive sound from traditional stereo systems. The B06 Pro also includes convenient controls for volume and track management. Users can adjust volume or skip tracks directly from the receiver without needing to handle the connected device. Setup is easy and versatile, with multiple connection options including 3.5mm AUX, RCA, coaxial, and optical cables. Pairing with Bluetooth-enabled smartphones or tablets is quick and straightforward, allowing seamless wireless music streaming. Additionally, the receiver supports voice commands through Amazon Alexa, enabling hands-free operation when paired correctly. Built with durable ABS material, it combines reliability with a sleek and compact design. Overall, the 1MIE B06 Pro long-range Bluetooth receiver provides excellent sound quality, extended range, and user-friendly features, making it an ideal choice for upgrading home audio systems. That wraps up our review of the best wireless audio adapters in 2026. We hope this video helps you choose the perfect device to enjoy high-quality, wireless sound at home, in the car, or on the go. Check out the links in the description to grab your favorite adapter today. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech guides and reviews.